All right, question 12A. Well, question 12A is a bit of a beast, I don't deny it. A lot going on here. So what I see here, first of all, and I'm going to try to write this a little smaller here, so you should be able to see the answer when you go and look on it online here. But 2x squared minus 3x minus 9. Okay, factoring is a little bit more complicated, but I know that it's got to be 2x and x. And then 9 breaks down really nicely into 3 and 3. Now if I just check the signs here, 2x times 3 will be 6x. 3x times 1 is just 3. If I make the 6 negative and the 3 positive, I'm going to get that negative 3x in the middle. Now this one down here, this is a little bit of a beast. I don't deny that. That 8x squared plus 14x plus 3, but I'm going to show you how I would guess and check this. I know that 3 can only be broken down into 3 and 1. Now I'm looking at factors of 8 here. Now the most obvious factors of 8 are 4 and 2. So I think, well, 4 and 2. 4 times 3 is 12, and then 2, okay, well there it is, right there. First guess. If I put 4x, if I put a 4x here and a 2x here, when I multiply that out, I'm going to get 12 plus 2, which gives me the 14. Let's just guess and check, okay, which works really, really well here. Divided by, okay, again, our numerator here is a little ugly, but 3 can only break down into 3x and x. And then factors of 6 that will, when I put them all together, will give me 7 here. Well, 6, the most obvious ones will be 2 and 3. If I put 2 here, well, if I put 3 here, that would put a common factor of 3 in this question. I don't really want that. So I'm going to try putting 3 here and 2 here and just see if that works. So 3x times 3 would be 9. 2x times, okay, 2 times will give me 2 there. So if I make that negative 9 and positive 2, that'll give you the negative 7 in the middle. And now I'm beginning to see that I really put too much effort into this first one to factor because my denominators are the same. Now that doesn't alter the fact that I would still need to have done that to get my non-permissibles. My non-permissibles being x cannot equal negative 1/4, I'll be clear on that, negative 1/4, and negative 3/2. And the denominators are the same, so it's not doing much of anything. So now what I'll do is change change division into multiplication. So 4x plus 1, 2x plus 3, all over 3x plus 2, x minus 3, stating new restrictions being x cannot equal negative 2/3 or positive 3. The 4x plus 1 cancels, the 2x plus 3 cancels, and I would have expected that because the denominators were identical to begin with. The x minus 3 cancels, and what I'm left with here is 2x plus 3 over 3x plus 2. Nothing cancels there, those are not the same. With the restrictions that x cannot equal negative 1/4, negative 3/2, negative 2/3, and positive 3.